Hey, what's going on? It's Waleed coming at you. Waleed Pays. Hey, subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed. If you notice, I got some I got open to the community post. That's thanks to y'all. Thank everybody who had 1,000 subscribers. They pretty much put them open to the community post so I can post little items or little questions, little polls to y'all and just get y'all ideas on stuff. So what I want to do is put y'all on to something that I'm with right now. If you ever had a program you wanted to hop in that a guru was selling, or somebody who you looked up to was selling, but you couldn't afford it, you couldn't really find the means for it, I got something for you. Pretty much they probably showed you about building a landing page, or probably showed you about sending high converting emails that get people to convert as soon as they hop into your autoresponder and this, that, and third. Well, I'm in this program. I just hopped in it the other day. So this is like day one. It is the $25 one up. All right, you pay $25. They got 4 different levels: a $25 level, a $100 level, a $250 level, and a $500 level. I'm believing moving up gradually as you're ready to. I'm at the $25 level, and when I get some signers up under me, I'll go up to the $100 level and eventually hit the $500 level. But you're gonna get, with the $25 level, it gets you in to start making unlimited $25 commission payments automatically. You can get paid through PayPal, you can get paid through Stripe, you can get paid through Cash App. Then you can get paid through Vimo too. So you're going to get in there, you're going to get a full system. You're going to get your landing page. You're going to get a whole bunch of landing pages to choose from. You're going to get a whole bunch of, you're going to get autoresponders that are going to go out automatically. And you're going to get ads. You're going to get 50 ways to promote. You're going to get responses. I mean, you're going to get Facebook posts. You're going to get all this stuff here, all right? So I encourage you to get it. I've encouraged you to get in and get in under me. And I'm throwing in some things. Anybody who signs up under me, they're getting pretty much they're getting a YouTube checklist so you can grow through YouTube. You're also going to get my mindset on writing and publishing your own book, ebook that I did. And what is it that I'm giving away? I'm giving away a LinkedIn layout checklist. All right. So click the link below, check it out, and see all that you're getting and what we're giving away to you, man. And start getting these unlimited payments. If you just usually people like, it's not about having a product and all that stuff. Sometimes you just need some straight cash and immediate cash coming to you, and this is what this is for me and what I'm showing to y'all. All right, so stay tuned, watch the other videos. I might have this loaded up in the playlist, I'm not sure, but check the other videos out. Let's go. Peace.